Hello friends, today I'm gonna unbox Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 P310 which I bought just now. So let's unbox it together. So let's see what's inside. It's got one main set, one travel adapter body, one conversion plug, one data cable and one stereo headset. It's Android 4.0.4. That means you don't need to update from 4.0.3. It's pre-updated. This is Bluetooth 3.0, Wi-Fi, DLNA and DI-BX HD. This is the white Samsung Galaxy Tab 2 P310. So let's open it and see what's inside. This is the tab. Let's keep it aside for some time. See what's inside. This is a quick start guide and some warranty cards. This is the USB cable. People say that this is short. Let's see. I guess it's pretty short. If you use your tab with charger on, then it's pretty short. This is the travel adapter with the connector. Just have to put it inside like this. Screw into it. There are the earphone earbuds. I guess there are 3 pairs in it, so you got 3 extra pairs. And this is the stereo headset. Got this volume up, volume down, and this button for voice calls, and these speakers. I guess they'll be average. What else you got? Okay, nothing inside. So here's the tab. So this tab is 600 by 1024. It has a 3.2 megapixel camera. There is a SIM card slot, micro SD card slot, and here there's volume rocker. This is power button. On the bottom side there are 2 stereo speakers, 1 mic, and this is for the USB 30 pin connector. This is a 3.5mm jack. There's another mic for noise cancellation. So here is it. I'm sorry about the viewing angle because I was short of a tripod, so I had to make it like this. All the Samsung written logo. It's 3G. This is a 3G version with 16GB inbuilt memory. There are sensors located here. Okay, then let's switch it on and see how much time it takes to load. Still loading. Sorry about the mess in my room, because I just wanted to make this unboxing for you. I didn't bother to clean the room. I just put this yellow cover here because it was a reflective type of wooden piece. So here is it. Let's swipe to unlock. Something Google locations. That's it. Okay, agree. That's it. I will be making a review of it. So subscribe to my channel for the in-depth review of this phone. Okay then, goodbye.